Your Rosie days?
Some of the ones since the Rosie days.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, maybe there's a better one inside, I don't know.
Okay. All right. Do you want to? Yeah. Do you want to go through and? So
that's me at one of my birthdays.
Oh, this photo right here. Do you remember which birthday it was?
I think it was. Looks like it was my 93rd.
93rd birthday. Wow.
Yeah, the 3 candles, yeah.
And then this next photo,
This is me at the time I married Hank.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Grandpa Perry in his Navy. I don't know who put them together.
That's a very nice photo, though.
Yeah.
All right. What's the next one?
And then this is one of my Rosie ones with we had a show. They had a show on the Rosies.
Mm-hmm.
And this man was kind of in charge of the show. And I asked if I had my picture with him, and he did.
And then this right here, that's Letty, and that's Terry, right? Your daughters?
No.
Or no, sorry.
Let's see. Oh, these are Rosies. But this is Letty and me at a Rosie party, and that's Lauren.
Lauren, okay.
And me.
Okay.
At a Rosie.
That brings back memories, right?
Yes, it does. I guess because I was lonely, I sat here. Every once in a while, I sit and look at them. But this is.
Oh, yeah.
But that's Terry and me.
Okay, so that's Terry. Okay.
And the other one is the Rosie Award party. There was 3 of us.
I'm getting it.
Do you want it or not?
No, I got it.
Oh,
We're doing a video, so this is going to be you
so you want
flowing through and showing us, your photos.
Okay. Now this is Randy Travis, my friend. And we went to his show. And this is him and I. And this is Leslie and Lauren and Randy.
Okay.
I don't know if you're familiar with his music or not.
I'm not. I'll have to check it out. If you like it, then I might like it.
No, just think of that song, I'm gonna love you forever and ever, amen. That's Randy.
Okay, and then this is
him and I, and that's
Grandma, and then that's
my girls, my 3 girls and me at Letty's graduation. She went back to school and got her diploma. And that's Terry's girls here.
okay.
And
So this is Grandpa and Grandma Hanson?
yes, my dad's folks. And that's their wedding picture. He was 17 and she was 22.
Wow, 17 and 22.
Yeah. I guess she was pregnant, is why they got married so young. And then she had twins and they didn't live. So my dad came a year or 2 later, and I guess he was the oldest then. But,
And then who's that?
well, some of these, they're just grandparents, I guess, from Norway. This this is the same man I told you at the wedding picture.
Yeah.
There. This is my Grandpa Hanson. And this is one of, I don't know if that was either my uncle or my dad when he was young. I don't know which. But this is very definitely my Grandpa Hanson. And he was a sweetheart. A real sweetheart. But I can't say that for my other grandpa. As you ask questions, I'll tell you.
All right.
But these were some of them from Norway when they were there, I guess. I don't know. And here.
Is that from your trip to Norway?
That's from my trip to Norway. Yeah, oh, this is, yeah.
So those are notes.
Other notes, like pictures. I don't know what they are. Not many pictures, but shows. And I've been there
Yeah.
once.
All right.
No, now I can't see what.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Did you look at them?
Mm-hmm. I did. I got them.
Okay. Now this is, I gotta see now. Oh, this is that time I was telling you about when Eric came in. Eric and us.
That's Riley.
That's Riley, and me and Drew, Terry's husband. He died about 5 years ago. Will be 6. And he was such a nice guy.
And then, oh, that's, is that Grandpa?
Yeah. I don't know who this is. Oh, him.
That's Letty.
Oh, Letty and I, and then.
Oh, it's funny. You guys got some milkshakes there or
Yes, sir.
something.
Oh, well, we used to do a lot of silly things, you know.
Yeah.
I can't see, so I don't know who this is with me. I think it's Clarice. Looks like it is. Your lighting and my lighting are different, so I don't know if you.
Well, you know, there is 70 years of age between us, so. There's 70 years of age between us, so.
I know it. I know it. So anyway, this is me, I'm sure.
Mm-hmm.
And that's Clarice, my sister. And then these are Terry's girls,
Okay.
and that's Drew and Terry. He was so special. Oh, yeah, I wish he would have been married or found somebody, but she's never, ever. She's such a pretty girl that that was her high school sweetheart.
Mm.
All through high school, she couldn't live without him. But she is.
Well, this looks like a good old photo right here.
Yeah, that is a.
So that's, is that Elka, Eric,
Yeah.
Elsa?
One time when they were home, that's Jackie and me and Terry.
Wow.
And the kids.
Yeah, I recognize all those faces.
Yeah.
And then you can really tell that's Elka there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then, yeah, it's the other kids again right there.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
This is your mother.
Mm-hmm.
Where is she? Where is she? Which
Hold on.
is
Yeah.
is this her?
I believe so, yeah, because that's Signe, I think. And that's Elsa. Elsa was always the smallest one, and then Eric's the only boy.
Yeah, and then it would be Siggy and Sarah. But here's, I don't know.
And then, yeah, that's my mom. That's Elsa. That might be Matthias when he was a baby.
Yes.
And then that's Joe. And then Gavin I see there. And the whole gang. This is at San Diego. I can see the background house.
Yeah, when I was down there.
And there's, yeah, Matthias with a little there. And then that's Signy's family. Gabby, Alex, Gavin, Hayden.
Is this, I don't know who this is.
That's Eric and that's Joe.
Is this Eric?
That's Eric, yeah.
Okay, I was just wondering when I looked at that.
I've never seen this photo with Renee and their family. That's a good photo, though.
Oh, haven't you?
No, that's a good photo.
She used to send me pictures of the family every time, but she don't do that no more.
Mm.
Did you get what you wanted?
I did, yeah.
Okay, then this is Letty's boys.
This is in New York, I guess, because I see the Statue of Liberty, all the bright lights.
Yeah, that's when he graduated. He went for his master's in
NYU, right?
NYU.
Yeah.
And graduated out of, I think they had the big whoopie-doo at Yankee Stadium.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
And then those are the Haggards. I can see those boys.
Oh, those boys are, that's Bradley.
Yeah, that's cute.
Then Joey, he's such a big boy now. They aren't boys anymore, they're men.
Mm-hmm.
I think Riley must be 30s.
Mm-hmm.
He might be 35, I don't know. Joe is about 30 and 32 or something. Henry's the only one that's married.
These are a lot of good photos, though.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I always tell my kids. All I want is photos. I just love to look at my photos. That was Grandpa when he... You remember him?
Very, very vaguely. I remember meeting him, I think, once or twice.
Yeah, because Elka's the only grandchild we had when he was living, and he only got to see Elko, I think, once. Grandpa Hank did.
Mm-hmm.
So Grandpa Perry, I married a couple of years later, so he's always been everybody's grandpa, and he was such a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. So I don't know who these are now. Gotta push him up close to me.